Hello, welcome to iMobie. This video will guide you through using the AI subtitles feature in FocuSee. Open FocuSee and choose your preferred recording mode. Make sure your computer's microphone is enabled so the audio can be captured properly. Once the recording is finished, FocuSee will automatically take you to the editing interface. Click Captions. You will see two modes: Advanced Model and Local Model. The Advanced Model supports more languages, offers higher accuracy, and requires credit. For this tutorial, please select the Advanced Model, choose your video language, and click Generate. FocuSee will begin creating captions automatically. When the captions are ready, you will be taken to the caption editing interface, where you can review and adjust the text. After editing, you can click Style to customize the subtitle font size, position, and spacing. If you need to view or hide the captions, you can click the back button, and you can enable, close, and view the subtitles. To regenerate the subtitles, simply select the Advanced Model again. When everything is set, you can click Export to save your final video.